I'm gonna burp. Excuse me. Sorry. Sorry. Secret burps. There's so many. Catch you on the other side. No. That was bubbles. That was extra bubbles. Okay. I'm a bully. Thanatos, I'm kidding. It's a joke. It's stuck. There's more. Joker. Wasn't that a beautiful song? And I'll do it with love. What time on Friday do you guys want the noodles to happen? I'll miss you. Sensational. But you're wrong. Thank you so much, you guys. Yeah, are we gonna get a train going? Forced subathon? I'll show you my belly button if it makes you sub. Excuse me. They dislodged them. Have a good day.